You are looking at the Hanayama Reef Puzzle. Looks simple, but it's tricky. Stick around and I'll show you the one thing you are missing. The goal is to free these two pieces. We have the reef, silver piece, the fish, golden piece. First, we need to take the fish and pull the fish to reach these positions. If it's not working for you, what we can do is move the golden piece up and down, and you'll see they're going to work. Fish is in these positions. I'm going to bring back up the fish. Now the golden piece is going to move around this piece, and the best way is to have the fish like slightly in slope, like we can see. It's not straight, in slope. That's the best way. Move, go up, just try to move around this piece. We are here, the piece should go easily down, and we are in these positions. Alors, the fish going to go up. We have a fish with a fin. This one, there is not really a fin. Alors, this fish, when you're going to rotate, going to go inside. Donc we rotate and I go inside. And we are in these positions. Now we're going to bring back the golden piece here. Just let drop and that work. If necessary, a little up and down. And we are in this position. Donc we bring back the piece here. Just go up and down, left and right, and we are in these positions. Now it's easy, we just make another rotations. Donc we have a fish without the fin, go inside, you rotate, and finally we have successfully separate these two pieces. To the back we go the other way around. Okay. No fin, we have a fin. Go this way, we rotate, bring back the fish like that. We need to go all the way back to the other side, up and down if it's necessary. It should work. We are here. The fish without fin go inside, donc we rotate. We were here, and now the golden piece need to move around this piece to be bring back here. Donc we just move piece like that's here. Maybe post. We are here, like I say, it's very simple. We just bring back the piece, and the puzzle, like you can see, is solved both ways. If you ever felt the pure frustration of this puzzle, hit that like button to show you get it.